When we remodeled my parents' bathroom, they requested that we put in some grab bars in the shower when we redid it. So we're sharing how we installed the grab bars in the tile shower, and it's a super easy DIY. Just to note, our tile walls have wood behind them where the grab bars go. We made sure to put that in since we knew we'd be putting in the grab bars, so the steps are for that type of installation. If your walls don't have wood behind them, you will need to use anchors, and our steps don't include that process. The grab bars should come with a template to use. Drill holes through the template where your screws will go so you can mark the tile wall. Lay out the template where the grab bar will go. Mark all of the holes. We found it easiest to use a marker for this so we could actually see the marks. Next, we pre-drilled the holes with a small masonry bit. Then we drilled the holes with a larger masonry bit, which will allow the screw to go through. Use an Allen wrench to remove the mounting base from the bar. Silicone the back of the mounting base. Then we screwed the base to the tile. And repeat with the bottom base. Then just place the bar on the base and use the Allen wrench to attach it.